Good morning, Siddharth. In your introduction,
My name is Srishthila. My name is Mr. Rajendra. My mother name is Samrita Devi. My brother name is Sivarati. Sister name is Yeratpo. I stand 6th class at my school name Maran Public School. I am 30 years old. My hobby is growing. I want to become the
answer some general knowledge question. Okay. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Which is the largest planet in our solar system? What is the shape of Earth?
round.
How many continents there are in world?
Sorry.
Which animal known as shake of desert?
Camel.
Which planet closest to the sun?
Mercury.
What is the capital of India?
Delhi.
Which is the largest ocean in the world?
Listen, Pusia.
Which is the smallest continent in the world?
Australia.
Sun rises in east and sets in the.
West.
Which is the longest river on earth?
Tani.
Which country is known as land of rising sun?
Japan.
How many union territories there are in India?
8.
Which is the tallest mountain in the world?
Mountain Everest.
Which sea separates Africa and Asia?
The Red Sea.
What is the phenomenon of splitting white light into 7 colors?
Dispersion of light.
The continent of Europe and Asia are together known as.
Eurasia.
Name the place known as Robo World.
Tibet.
What are the two motion of Earth?
Rotation and reversal.
Name the largest desert in the world.
Sahara.
Which planet is known as blue planet?
Earth.
What is the chemical symbol of water?
H2O.
Which element has chemical symbol O?
Oxygen.
What is the boiling point of water?
100 degrees Celsius.
Which phenomenon is responsible for the blue color of sky?
Skating of light.
Name the two seas surrounding peninsular India.
Iris and Diopona.
Which animal is known as the king of jungle?
Light.
How many legs does a spider have?
8.
Which is the tallest animal in the world?
Giraffe.
What is baby dog called?
Puppy.
Which is the largest mammal on earth?
Giraffe.
Which is the largest mammal on earth?
Movie.
What do plants give us to breathe?
Oxygen.
Which bird lay the largest egg?
Optis.
Which is the only mammal that can fly?
That.
What do we call Kamnaru baby?
Joey.
How many bones there are in human body?
206.
Which part of plant make us food?
E.
What is the process by which plant make food?
Photosynthesis.
Which type of gas absorbed by the plant?
Carbon dioxide.
Which is the fastest land animal?
Cheetah.
What is the national heritage animal of India?
Elephant.
How many kidneys do human have?
2.
Which organ pump blood?
Skin.
Which organ pump blood?
All.
Which is the smallest bone in human body?
Skin.
Which is the smallest bone in human body?
Stumps or strips.
What is the largest organ of human body?
Skin.
Which bird is the smallest in the world?
Hummingbird.
Bird. What is the process of conversion water into vapor?
Evaporation.
What is the chemical formula of the common salt?
NaCl.
Which is the largest forest in the world?
Amazon dead forest.
What is the solid form of water?
Ice.
What is the smallest unit of light?
Sand.
Name the national bird of India.
Peacock.
Name national animal of India. National flower of India.
Lotus.
National anthem of India.
Devnarmu.
Who wrote national anthem of India?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Who is known as father of nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
When did India get independence?
15 August 1947.
When is Republic Day celebrated?
26 January.
Who is the first Prime Minister of India?
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Who was the first President of India?
Dr. Hari Prasad.
Who designed the national flag of India?
Aya.
Which is the national aquatic animal of India?
Dorothy.
What is the national song of India?
Vande Mataram.
Who wrote national song of India?
Bankim Chandra.
Who made the Taj Mahal?
Shahjahan.
Who is the first human Prime Minister of India?
Indira Gandhi.
How many states there are in India?
20.
Who is called Iron Man of India?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Where is the flag hosted on Independence Day?
Bradford.
Which is the smallest state in India?
Goa.
In which year Indian Constitution adopted?
1950.
In which the national tree of India? Which is the national tree of India?
Teak tree.
Who is the citizen of India?
The President of India.
Who discovered India by sea route?
Vasco da Gama.
Which is the largest democracy in the world?
India.
How many days in a week?
7.
How many hours in a day? How many hours in a day?
3 day.
How many minutes in an hour?
60.
How many days there are in a regular year?
365.
How many days does February month have in a leap year?
29.
Name the primary color.
Red, yellow and blue.
What color symbolize peace?
White.
How many sides there are in triangle?
3.
Which festival called color of festival?
Holi.
Which festival known as festival of light?
Four.
Name the house made of ice.
It is.
Now translate it. Where is the remote?
Remote कहाँ है?
अब मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ.
I am going to sleep now.
कृपया अपना कमरा साफ करें.
Please clean your room.
क्या खाना तैयार है?
Is dinner ready?
मुझे अपना फोन चार्ज करना है.
I need to charge my phone.
लाइट बंद कर दो.
Turn off the light.
मुझे 7 बजे उठाना.
Wake me up at 7.
क्या मैं तुम्हारा लैपटॉप इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ?
Can I use your laptop?
बिजली चली गई है.
The electricity is gone.
Are you at home? Are you at home?
क्या तुम घर पर हो?
मैं अपने कमरे में रहूंगा.
I will be in my room.
नाश्ते में क्या है?
What for breakfast?
दरवाजा बंद है.
The door is locked.
खिड़कियां बंद कर दो.
Close the window.
मैं इसे कहाँ रखूं?
Where should I keep this?
शोर मत करो.
Don't need a room.
मेरी एक जरूरी मीटिंग है.
I have an important meeting.
समय सीमा क्या है?
What is the deadline?
क्या आप इसे फिर से समझा सकते हैं?
Can you explain this again?
मैंने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया.
I have finished my assignment.
क्या मैं शौचालय जा सकता हूँ?
May I go to washroom?
मैं एक दिन की छुट्टी ले रहा हूँ.
I am taking a day off.
क्या आपके पास पेन है?
Do you have a pen?
इस पर बाद में चर्चा करते हैं.
Let's discuss this later.
कृपया यहाँ हस्ताक्षर करें.
Please sign here.
फाइल कहाँ है?
Where is the file?
मुझे ध्यान केंद्रित करने की जरूरत है.
I need to focus.
क्लास इज स्टार्टिंग.
क्लास शुरू हो रही है.
व्हाट्स योर प्रोजेक्ट अबाउट?
हमारा प्रोजेक्ट किस बारे में है?
दिस इज माई रिपोर्ट.
यह मेरी रिपोर्ट है.
आई एम लर्निंग अलॉट.
मैं बहुत सीख रहा हूँ.
क्या आप कॉल के लिए फ्री हैं?
Are you free for a call here?
क्या हम समय बदल सकते हैं?
Can we schedule?
चलो एक तस्वीर लेते हैं.
Let's take a picture.
यू लुक ग्रेट टुनाइट.
आज रात आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं.
कितनी प्यारी जगह है.
What a lovely place.
मुझे अपने बारे में बताओ.
Tell me about yourself.
चलो जल्दी कर लेते हैं.
Let's meet again soon.
लेट्स मीट अगेन सून. ठीक है, वेरी गुड.